Hi everyone and welcome back to the Homemaker Baker. Today we're making a vibrant and delicious mint chutney that's perfect for pairing with your favorite snacks and meals. It is quick, it's easy, and it's packed with fresh flavors. So let's get started. Here I have my fresh ingredients which I have washed and stained. I'm using green chilies, mint or pudina. I'm using 3 bunches of that. You can see the size comparison for idea. And I also use 1 bunch of coriander. There is no hard and fast rules. You can use however much you want of whatever much. So I cut my cilantro in 3 pieces and I add in all of my green chilies. And to prepare my mint, what I usually do is I hold the stalk and then I pull down the leaves and they just come off by themselves. It's usually the woody part that I don't add into the chutney, but the softer stalks you can use. Add these leaves to the blender along with half a tablespoon of cumin seeds and juice from 1 medium lemon. Also, one thing about green chilies is you can add more if you like a very spicy chutney. I'm adding around a 1/4 cup of water just so that everything can easily blend, and blend everything until it's smooth. And look at that vibrant green color. The lemon gives it a nice freshness, but it also helps keeping that vibrant green color of the chutney. And to prepare it, I just take about a tablespoon or 2 and add it into whisked yogurt, about a cup for a 2 tablespoon chutney mix, and I add some salt and some chaat masala to taste. Now you can store this chutney in the fridge for about a week, or you can freeze it in single serving cubes using an ice cube tray, and this way you can enjoy the fresh chutney whenever you want. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy Pudina chutney recipe. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up and like and leave a comment below on how you like to use your chutney. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homemaker Baker for more delicious recipes and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching and see you next time.